We also have the dogs and birds, animals going down from the cat, and they're working their way up as the pitch goes higher and higher. And this is what Sola likes to do. She likes to travel up and down the sounds, creating sounds that are lower up to higher, and then going back down low depending on her mood. So who do we have here? We have the cat, the dog, the egg, the fish, the goose. We have the ant, we have the bird, and we have the cat. And then the cat goes down, cat, bird, ant, goose, fish, egg, dog, and then back down to cat again.